shit.
Fucker.
I told you to focus on not crashing.
There's so much shit over here now.
Is there?
I just caught and I went over the bars.
Oh, poop. I hope, the thing is, video never does justice. It's pretty freaking big, but you can see it's halfway up on your shroud, so, or to the bottom of your shroud.
Yeah. There's so much shit over here now.
Is there?
Yeah. I'll try it again.
Sounds good.
Where do I go?
I was gonna ask you. Thinking about a line, right? I would go higher up. Right, but it's so freaking high.
Yeah. I was trying to just go up and stop.
Yeah.
And then roll off of it.
But then the other side, the higher up you go, the more drop you got on the other side. Yeah.
But all those trees are all pushed down against it.
Got you. Come on, Cody Webb. Oh, shit. You already busted that one handguard off. You can finish the other one off on this. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Son of a bitch, I thought you had it, dude.
Fuck this shit.
I thought you had her, man.
Fuck it.
We did it before, but it dropped off. It didn't drop off like that. Are you okay? Holy balls.